Come on, come on. Come on, Miss Zambia. Come on, just button the topmost. This one, this one, this one. Okay. Okay, next member, please. Open the umbrella first. Open the umbrella. Alright, thank you very much, Miss Zambia. Now, next member. Miss South Africa and Miss Austria. Come on. Let's see who's going to... Alright. Okay, thank you so much. Next team member, please. Come on, open your umbrella. Turn it off. Wear the kimono uniform of Yoshinoya. Come on, go faster. Miss Samoa. Come on, go faster. Get umbrella. Alright, alright, thank you so much. That's Miss Egypt. Now we have Miss Myanmar and Miss Ecuador. Go faster, come on, come on. Alright. Alright, thank you very much, Miss Ecuador. Now, for our last two members of the group, come on, go. Come on, go faster. Come on, button on your kimono. And then shout. Thank you so much. Alright. Come on, let's have Miss Samoa. The last one. Yeah, the last one. Miss Dominican Republic. Alright. So the last team member now. Come on, go faster, faster. Oh, come on. Miss Dominican Republic is having a hard time. Come on, with assistance for Miss Switzerland. One last team member, come on, Miss Faith of Miss Philippines. Okay.